Massive breakthrough. Russia develops cancer vaccine, will distribute it for free from 2025. This revolutionary vaccine, set to be launched in early 2025, will be distributed free of cost to Russian citizens. Russia has announced a groundbreaking development in cancer treatment with the creation of an mRNA-based vaccine designed to treat cancer patients. This revolutionary vaccine, set to be launched in early 2025, will be distributed free of cost to Russian citizens according to state-run media reports. The personalized vaccine, which uses genetic material derived from a patient's tumor, will cost the state approximately 300,000 rubles, or $2,869 per dose. The announcement was made by Andrei Kaprin, head of the Radiology Medical Research Center of the Ministry of Health. This vaccine aims to treat cancer patients rather than prevent tumor formation, Kaprin stated.